Hey, what's up you guys? This is Chad. Today I wanted to give you my first impressions of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Fold. I've been waiting to get my hands on this literally since they first announced it. So just want to show you guys what the experience looks like. Now I had to get the AT&T version because they did not have the unlocked version at Best Buy, but I'll just unlock the phone. So you can see here underneath it's got all the care instructions. Let you guys pause the video there if you want to go through those. Let's see what's in the box real quick. Unfold the future, meet your Galaxy Fold. And then we get the Galaxy Fold Premier service here. You get your screen replaced one time within 12 months for $149. Awesome. For a price tag like this on a phone though, I highly recommend you get like a Best Buy Geek Squad protection. It's only $11 a month. Terms and service, shows you how to put this on. Okay, there's your SIM, eject pin, and your case. Case feels good. I like it. Samsung Galaxy Buds. That's pretty nice. That's $130 just for those headphones. So it's cool that they include that in the box. So there's the fast charger there. So this is a USB-C to USB Type A, so you can transfer your data from your existing phone. Yep, charging cable and replacement ear tips for the Galaxy Buds. So let's go ahead and turn this unit on and see what we've got. What's the fuss all about? Now I was super excited when they announced this phone because I think it's cutting edge technology. I think it's part of the future and what we're going to get. Let's go ahead and take off this package. Nice. So it's about the size, a little smaller, like an iPad mini. Wow. Feels good in the hand. It's really solid. I like that it's narrow. I know I'm probably not gonna like the little 4-inch display on it, but I like that it's narrow because it feels like you've got a good grip on the phone. So that's what it looks like there. This is the black. They also have a Cosmos Silver. The hinge feels extremely sturdy, satisfying. Let's go ahead and turn this unit on and see what it looks like. They corrected a couple things on this one, so this now has these T-caps so that dust and dirt can't get inside of the display unit right here. It's got 3 cameras on the front and 3 here on the back with the ultra wide, which is great. So this uses the same cameras as the Note 10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and S10. So that's going to do it for my quick unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please click that thumbs up and subscribe if you're feeling really generous. And I'll see you guys on the next video.